Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Mi LED TV 4A, and today I will show you how to set up captions. So to get started, let's navigate into the settings by going up, and from there scroll down to device preferences and choose accessibility. And then select captions. And in here, number one, you want to turn them on, and then below you will have language select, so you can choose your desired language. From there you can also change the text size, so whatever you choose will be automatically visible on the left side, as you can see right now. Then below you will have several presets that you can use, and you can see if one of them suits you. And if you go to custom, you can create your own by basically having full control of how it will look. So you can change fonts, colors, and all that stuff. And that's about it. So once you set it up, you can just leave this mode and they will automatically be working anywhere else. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.